When you stand in front of the mirror, without makeup, and under some good lighting, what do you see? If you are among those with spotless skin and great genes, you are oh so lucky. But if your skin is anything like the rest of us, which harbors visible pores filled with dirt, or in other words, blackheads, all I can say is that there is still hope. This article lists the best home remedies that will show you how to remove blackheads from nose at home. Blackheads are tiny, dark bumps caused by clogged hair follicles. They may appear on your nose, chin, chest, back, and shoulders. Some factors that can be held responsible for the formation of blackheads include excessive production of oil by the sebaceous glands, build-up of acne-causing bacteria on your skin, accumulation of dead skin cells, which leads to the irritation of your hair follicles, hormonal changes during menstruation or while you are on birth control pills, which leads to increased oil production in your body, medications like corticosteroids and androgens. Steering clear of blackheads seems close to impossible, isn't it? Well, you can control and reverse these effects with the help of some simple DIY home remedies. Listed below are 10 remedies that can help in getting rid of the problem right from the root. You will need 2 egg whites, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and tissues. What you have to do: 1. Separate the egg whites from the yolk and 2. Beat them in a bowl with 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. 3. Apply a thin layer of this mixture around your nose, focusing more on the areas with blackheads. 4. Allow the first layer of the mixture to dry and then place a tissue over your nose. 5. Apply a second layer of the mixture on top of the tissue and allow it to dry. 6. You may go ahead with a third layer if you have too many blackheads. 7. Once dried, you can pull off the layered tissues from your nose, along with all the blackheads. Wash your face thoroughly to get rid of the raw smell of eggs. You can apply this mask twice a week. Why this works: the hardened egg whites stick to the pores of your skin and help in pulling out all the dirt, along with the blackheads. They also help in shrinking the pores, which tightens your skin and prevents the formation of blackheads.